Lesson 2. Methane emissions. Daily English. English for a better life. Listen and fill in the gaps. We all know that cars and factories produce a lot of greenhouse gases. Not many of us know that livestock, such as cows, deer, and goats, also create emissions. These farm animals are responsible for a lot of the world's methane. This is the most common greenhouse gas after carbon dioxide (CO2). Billionaire Bill Gates decided to do something about the methane these animals belch out. He invested in a technology startup that aims to reduce the amount of methane coming from animal burps. The tech company is called Rumin. It is located in Australia. It has now created a synthetic, seaweed-based dietary supplement for animals. The company says its supplement stops the creation of methane in animal stomachs. Bill Gates is the co-founder of the tech giant Microsoft. He spends a lot of his money on projects that help the environment. He believes the farming of animals for meat should be reduced because of the impact it has on climate change. He says 1/3 of all greenhouse gas emissions come from livestock production. A spokesperson for Mr. Gates' energy investment company spoke about the benefits of the new synthetic dietary supplement. He said, Rumin offers a low-cost toolbox that has already proven to be effective in reducing emissions. He added, our team will support Rumin in working closely with farmers to expand the reach of this solution globally. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.